Looking how to post ads or campaigns in some which exact dates, or don't have the regular schedule and would like to create some custom ones, or would like to create auto stopping of campaigns after some exact not okay cost per result, meta ad rules can help you. Today I will show you the difference between settings in ad level, in ad set level and campaign level, and also will show couple of my favorite meta ad rules. Hi, I'm Nick and I've been doing social media ads since 2017 and more than the time ads automation, home automation and some other automation stuff that I am able to automate. So let's talk about what actually we can automate in meta ads. Firstly, let me show where it is. This create, this in more and create a new rule. Facebook or Meta allow you to create some rules that automate your work in campaign, in ad group or ad set, and in ad level of campaign. So for example, one of popular rules that I like to automate is regarding ads level. So for example, if you are using some promoting posts like last dozen or last couple dozen of posts, and if you would like not compete in account but have all posts running. So one of the way you can, for example, those ads where we spend on ad more than. So for example, imagine you have some like 20 bucks a daily campaign for promoting your posts and you have couple dozens posts of there. So in case if you would like to have linear spend for all of them, there are two strategies. One, like using separate group, but if you're using separate groups, you will compete one with other. And the other strategy is to use one big group, but in this big group, add a lot of ads and set ad rule. For example, if we spend more than 50 bucks, then let's turn off these ads. Also, it might as well if you have like different campaigns, and in some campaigns you would like to run no matter how many you spend, you in general can add additional like even campaign name related. So if this campaign name contains some, and you can, for example, like promoting post. So for example, you can add some exact phrase, and currently this rule will work just if campaign name include the phrase promoting post and for some exact ad that spent more than 50 bucks. Also, you're able to choose like which subscriber, and you will get notified this even on Facebook as well. So let's create this one, and I will use a couple other one, what I like and what I don't like in Facebook ads. One of disadvantages because in ad set level you are not able to use any cost per result campaign. So for example, if you like to test like exact age audiences, for example, even retargeting campaigns, you can create like retargeting for 30 years old, retargeting for 31, retargeting for 32, and some other stuff. So in general, for being allowed to automate it, you have to run this like in campaign level. So that's why you have to have like more campaigns and amount of budget bigger for this, because Facebook would like some minimum requirements for campaign level. So in general, you, for example, imagine in your business like normal cost per lead in your lead form campaigns, for example, 50 bucks. And you know that like red flag, narrow, like the worst case scenario, for example, like 100 or 150. So in general, you can create like stop campaign lead form where CPL more than, for example, 150. So in general, you're able to choose like, okay, cost per result greater than 150, and you can turn off this campaign. Also, if you have like separate campaigns, for example, for Messenger or for lead forms, and different have different like cost per results that you would like to turn off, because I guess you don't want to pay like $100 for Messenger answers and you prefer having more cheaper, so you can able, for example, add the same thing like campaign name, and for example, imagine this campaign name like contains lead form, like in an example here that we used to test some European countries. So in general, you able to run this automatically without every time checking and not worrying. As might as well, you can create even different schedules, like you can create one rule for turning on campaign, another rule for turning off campaign, and here you have more possibilities than in regular scheduling settings. So shortly, here are Facebook rules. Also, you're able to go and manage them, check them, turn off them, delete them that you don't like, and hope I help you. Feel free to comment. Please subscribe for our channel for being able not miss our next videos, and share with your friends. Have a good day. Bye.